Back here, see me.
Just right here. Come back around. He does all the time. Come on. He does this all the time.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Chocolate. Watch out. You might hold on for the man foot.
That's good.
I can get to touch it.
Oh. Oh, I touched the crocodile. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Darling. Come, sweetheart. He's rough. Their skin are very, what do you call it, durable.
Y'all are so beautiful.
Then you're gonna take a picture? Come, let whatever feel. You know what feeling? Is that him or her? Or you don't
Is it him? Violated? That's
Hi,
violated.
sweetheart. I'm not hurting you, am I?
That's good.
I love your nails.
Look at babies or just the big ones?
No, cool.
These are the ones that you've got.
I'm gonna get them on the street.
You probably have something to do.
I want to touch it.
Okay, so today we did a tour of Black River Safari and it was really good. We got to see a few crocodiles and definitely we'll be coming back here with other people. It's a bit overcast. When the sun's out you get to see more crocodiles, but it's what it is. So it was really good. What is there not to love about Jamaica?